Isa pong ano, isa pong apple iced tea. Apo, yung 80 pesos. Hi guys, bike tayo ngayon. Papunta dito sa San Jose kasi may bibilin tayo. No choice, kailangan natin lumabas kahit sa mapakiramdam natin kasi dalawa lang kami ni mama at tao sa bahay, walang kasama yung mga pamangkin ko. Kailangan natin magbike para pagpawisan. Ang init at pakiramdam ko eh.
Silk satin sky with the cloud of cotton candy blue, soft smoking light from a rosy red point of view. God knows I've tried drinking power for the truth. I don't know.
Isa pong ano, isa pong apple iced tea. Apo, yung 80 pesos.
And I guess I called too late now. If I told you I was yours, would I be the one you're waiting for? If your eyes won't say the word, when you're leaving, could you close the door? All the
Hindi na tayo kasi maambon. Hindi ko na inubos yung apple iced tea natin. Plastic ko na ito.